Yeah, like shit was gravy. So I was like, I'm gonna buy me a Jeep. Like, boom. I'm a 2 vehicle bitch. Like, I'm out here popping in these streets, okay? What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Jess4TV. I am your favorite cousin, Jess. Back on your screen with another Jeep vlog. I think it's finally time that I bring you guys along in giving the Jeep a facelift, or maybe it's a new mouthpiece. I don't know. But we're gonna give it a new face, new mouth, plus some other little adjustments. So let's hop to it.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon.
It is 9:38. I just finished a little sweat sesh, so I'm looking a little glistening, a little glossy. Right now, I'm about to go shower. Then I'm about to go look at some cars because I've been contemplating getting a second vehicle just because it's been raining a lot and I want to wash the Jeep and I want to leave it in the garage. No, I really just want a second vehicle because I just get tired of driving that on a daily basis. I do not any longer want that to be my daily driver. I want that to be my stunner vehicle. I want a reliable bucket. Yeah, I want a good car. Like, I don't mind having a second car payment. As long as the car payment is under $350 a month, that's cool with me. Insurance, whatever, gotta pay that anyway. I'm not really worried about, you know, those other little costs because it's gonna get written off at the end of the year anyway. But yeah, I am actively looking for a second vehicle and I wanted to take you guys along. So let me go shower and then we gonna go. All right, I'm gonna call y'all back when I'm ready. All right, so I am dressed now. Gotta do a little fleekage of the edges or whatever. I actually need to take this hair out. I'm being real lazy about it. But I don't know if I finished my complete thought earlier. I was just thinking about it while I was in the shower, rub-a-dub-dubbing. Yeah, I'm going to not necessarily a side lot. It's not like a major or commercial dealership. It's just like the little local side dealerships. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a look at some stuff, see what I see, give you guys a little OOTD outfit, all black, sweatshirt, hustle with care, leggings, some slouch socks, and some combat boots from DSW. Got these on the clearance rack for $10. Hey, these are the vibes for the day. Real comfortable. It's kind of cold outside, kind of chilly, but probably still not gonna wear a jacket. Like I said, I need to do some of these edges. I'm gonna make me some coffee and maybe get me a little breakfast, and then we go head out and look at some cars, cousin. All right, so got my breakfast, which is consisting of carrot, apple, ginger juice, Starbucks cold brew with the white mocha chocolate creamer, water, and I got my Uncrustables down here thawing because it was in the freezer. So those are the vibes for breakfast. I'm gonna eat that, and then I'm waiting for my mom because who goes to look at cars by themselves? At least I don't. I need a second set of eyes. I need somebody to see what I don't see. Like, nah, sis, that ain't it. Like, yeah, she fine on the outside, but she looked like she got some damage on the inside. Just because being a female, I did buy my first Jeep from up north Vienna area, and it was like end of January. I remember it was like a snowstorm, and I was working out, and I was like, I had a Scion TC then. It was paid off. That was my favorite car. I'll give y'all a backstory on what happened to it. Ugh. Yeah, I was working out and I was like, I want a Jeep. Like, I want a new car. I was in my prime. I had, you know, my career was booming. I ain't had no kid. My money was my money. Yeah, like, shit was gravy. So I said, I'm gonna buy me a Jeep. Like, boom. I'm a 2-vehicle bitch. Like, I'm out here popping in these streets, okay? So I went and bought a Jeep and I went to the dealership by myself. I don't feel like they got over on me or anything. I already knew what I wanted because I saw it online. So I was like, walked on the lot. The sales guy walked out and was like, hey, how are you doing today? What are you looking for? I was like, that right there, that's what I want. What we need to do, what the paperwork. It was a long process as far as like, y'all know how it go when you go buy like a car or whatever, like that process. But I'm gonna just get pre-approved as far as this goes. And I'm just gonna cut them a check because I don't feel like it. I'm just tired of pulling the Jeep out when I just gotta run to the grocery store, or I gotta take Gia to school, or I just gotta pop out real quick. Like, I don't want to pop out in the Jeep looking busted. I'll be popping out looking real ratchet in the Jeep, and I don't want to do that no more. Like, I want to pop out in a bucket. That's what I want to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for this to thaw. I'm gonna do my edges real quick. My mom is at BJ's or something. I don't know. She told me she's gonna be here at 10:30. I done rushed, worked out, did my little skincare routine, got my little breakfast going or whatever, and she late. So probably just gonna answer some emails and maybe look at some more cars before we go. So at least I know exactly what I'm going on, a lot to look at. I ain't gotta walk down every aisle. Like, nah, what y'all got? Nah, Slim, I already seen. Y'all didn't peep. But yeah. All right, let me do some with my edges, and then hopefully my sandwich will be thawed by then so I can eat my Uncrustables.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't want it.
All right, cousins, so I found a little car. It's not bad. I kind of like it. I'm going to test drive it real quick. I want something like that, or like this Kia. That would be absolutely nice. Or even this Jetta is like really nice. But this is it. It's just a little Hyundai Elantra. Just a little, you know, something to just get from point A to point B.
Oh yeah, that's some touch up all this.
There's definitely been an accident.
That's probably what's wrong with that dog.
Right. Like, what the people be like? It's too much going on in
They
here.
will have to clean that up.
Nah, cousin, I want it. I want the one. What's going on, cousin? The last time I talked to you guys was we went second car shopping, and I was just so disappointed. I didn't find anything. I just had my hopes up so high. I didn't do my research to really just figure out the market as far as used cars go nowadays, and the market is ghetto as hell. I went to 5 dealerships that day in search of cars, just, you know, thinking about extended warranty, getting like a basic warranty. Well, none of that coming one of them cars. None of them cars was coming like that. Furthermore, I feel like a lot of those cars are coming from like the auction, or they're coming from down south where, you know, all the floods and stuff were happening, and they're really not inspecting those cars or looking them over. Like, they had no idea a lot of the shit that was going on in those cars because they weren't driving them. Like, they were just trying to sell them. They were just trying to get rid of them. Long story short, and look at blessings, look at my faith, look at God. I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful because I just so happened to go to my cousin's after being out for half of the afternoon in search of a second car. And I pull up and my good real cousin was like, you can have this one. Bitch, what? She only got a whole free car. Granted, there is, you know, hold on now, let's run it back. It is a free car, but I do have to do some work to it, which is totally fine because what I was going to put into another car at a dealership, I'm gonna have a car payment, insurance, personal property tax, and all the other stuff that comes along with it. But this car is a bit older, so I don't think personal property tax is going to be much, if anything at all. I don't have a car payment, and what I'm going to have to put into it would be less than what I would have spent getting a car payment on top of everything else. So I feel like it's gonna work out. Yeah, we gonna see. I do want to show y'all what it looks like, but the car is actually at my mom's house just because it's easier to work on it there, just because her driveway is like stupid big or whatever. And I'm gonna clean it out because my cousin still has a lot of her stuff in it, so I'm gonna clean it out. And yeah, I'm like so excited. I think it's just so dope to be able to come into those type of blessings, because when you out here doing what you gotta do, you ain't doing nobody wrong, you out here just living right, doing you, you know, blessings really rain upon you. And I've been living right. I've been living right, and I've been drinking my water, and I've been minding my business, and look what I get. I'm so happy for me. I love this for me. So yeah, second vehicle is here. I got it. I feel like this vlog is definitely all over the place. There's a lot going on, but you know what? I feel like this is what y'all want to see. So this is what I'm showing y'all. I want to go outside and wash the Jeep, and then I'm going to show y'all how I installed the grill and what it looks like now. Those are the vibes, and let's do it. I'm excited. right, so cousin, this is it. The second vehicle. It is a 1996 Acura 2.5 TL, and I think it's literally all that I need to get from point A to point B. You know, nothing more, nothing less. I feel like a good paint job, and of course I'm gonna have to get some new tires. We were able to pump them up to get it over here. But yeah, other than that, as of right now, it doesn't start. The car has actually been sitting for more than a couple of years. But yeah, this is the vehicle and this is what we're working with, and we're going to get it up and on the road so that we no longer have to pull the Jeep out of the garage, and that will no longer be our daily driver. So yeah, cousin, this is what I wanted to show y'all. I'm about to clean it out, and I will continue to show y'all the process as we go through, as we fix it, and as I revamp this thing. So stay tuned.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah, crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up in Slitty wherever we float. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip, yeah. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is litty, shit a gift.